Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's a Peace Boy over here, guys. It has been another amazing day, guys, and today is a day that I just want to move around Vwaza, around tomorrow village, guys. You know, it has been a while I didn't move around, guys, and today I have my brother there, and I was good. Hello, guys. I'm so back because you know, guys, this side is like going up like this, so we're just moving here, going to the city, guys. No, my phone have a problem, so I try to fix it, guys. This is my phone that's been broke, you know, so I'm going, guys, to try to fix it, and my brother say I can get some phone engineer at the border, guys. So right now we're heading to border of Kenya and Tanzania, guys. Look at this, guys. This is Vwaza, guys. Another look, guys. Another look, guys. So I've been enjoying this side, guys. Also making some practices, guys. So running, doing this exercise, guys. Build the chest. You know, the artist, guys, you have to do some activity, some ways to make you guys going fit. Look at these guys are moving crazy. We are not making movie, bro. To the for the pole, man. You are killing me. They're trying to kill me now because they are faster, like crazy, like soldier. Are you soldiers? About turn. Oh my God, they are moving like crazy. Can you guys introduce yourself, guys, first of all?
Yo, guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Villa
These guys are soldiers.
Africa.
Yeah.
I love you so much. My name's Dan.
Dan. Also we have Saleh over here.
My name is Saleh, Chief Commander.
The Chief Commander. Also, guys, I am not the loser. We have someone loser there.
Let's go.
David, are you the loser? Also, guys, right now we're heading to border, guys. These guys are moving crazy over here, guys.
To border and we can go to Tanzania.
Yeah.
Enter.
So just today I want to enter Tanzania. So let's get let's go to border.
But you must kazana.
Yeah.
You know to kazana?
Yeah, kazana. Like crazy, yes. Like crazy. You know me? I don't have to move fast like this. So
Today you will try.
Today I'm trying, guys. Today I'm trying this. Also, it's my ways. It is an exercise. Yeah. So you have to do this. Let's go. So, guys, let's first get to the border. Continue with the video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Promote 10k subscribers, guys. I'll deeply appreciate. Let's get to the border, guys. Whew. Look at this, guys. Crazy trees. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Ooh-wee. I should guys see it's a long journey moving, but watching amazing things, guys. Look at this. Bananas, guys. Banana trees. Wow. Guys, wow. Hey, guys, more bananas. More banana here, guys. Wow, guys. So, guys, this is amazing, guys. Amazing adventure. Amazing. Ooh, let's go, guys. I see on my road, guys, going to border, guys. So I can fix my phone's problems. Trying to fix, guys, but I'm not that much good. I don't know if my man can support it. Let's go, guys, and see, because they got a skin problem and charger system. I'll give you guys how they found how problem is. When the charger get really fast, gone arrived. So here we are going, guys.
Yeah. Spoken on this one.
We are one. We don't need to fight. We don't need to fight. Africa, America, South Africa, India, Ethiopia, Ghana, Jamaica, oh, Leo, no difference, they one, different color, one people, different country, one people, different color, one people, different country. Peace, peace, let me peace, peace. We need peace, peace, let me peace, peace. Oh, no difference, yeah, one. Oh, no difference, yeah, one. In every step we take, let understand, expand. No more division, the music lead the way. Humanity, kind, care, oh Lord, oh Lord. Tuache tukibaguzi, umoja utengano dhaifu. We live in the same world, we feel the same thing. Stop killing each other, we come from one mother, we go with them number. Different color, one people, different country. One people, different color, one people.
Finally, guys, we are here, guys. We're just checking for a repair, guys. Repair man is over here, guys. So guys, I'm here, guys. I'm saying let's go and check from the office, guys, and see how my phone gonna be repaired actually. So let me show you guys the problem over here with my phone. So guys, my phone is controlled itself, and I have some problem with screen, guys, over here. You know, you can see this problem, guys, over here, screen problem. So show you guys this one here. So it's sometimes control itself, just controlling itself, and the other problem is charger system. Let me show you guys also charger system, guys. Here I see it's like getting broken here. You can see, guys, and you can see, like, oh my god, yeah. So it didn't charge well. Also, he got a mixing of this one here. You can see this here, guys. Here actually. Here, guys. So I'm going to check if they're going to open it, and if it's going to be fine. I'm going to check first for the cost. If it costs a lot, guys, I'm going to do one thing and we'll try the other things another day. So we are here, guys, finally.
Baada simu yangu inaenda kufunguliwa. Kama ndo mtu hata
the phone is been opened over here.
Yeah.
So I'm not shida.
Mwamba. Opening it. Nakuweka protect. Yeah.
Protect ni gapi simia?
Kuna bei tofauti boss, nitaonyesha tu.
Yo, Kweli kuna shida. Sasa naumia. Actually guys, I'm feeling pain with my phone. It's like they're doing me surgery. So guys, I'm just feeling the pain, guys, you know. If this phone die, I must die also. No otherwise, guys. Hauna hata huruma bana. Unafunga simu ya hauni huruma. Haoni moja wangu ananyoa kabisa. So guys, no mercy. Mimi nawaga ni unasogeza kitu sasa. Sorry. Dogo. Jeff. Umeshoot na 2K. Umeshoot na 2K.
Sasa wewe una shoot vitu cinematic. Alafu nataka viende wapi?
Acha guys. Let's wait for the result. Because the way my phone is doing surgery with my phone, I'm feeling pain also. So let's wait, guys. We'll be together.
Akadude kana nikula.
Chaka kushomia mte. Go. Anafanya kazi. Leo magaifu.
Guys, Asha guys, we're coming late guys over here guys. There even the music guys over here, but my phone is like this right now. But actually guys, the cost was much and I didn't even build it. So guys, they told me tomorrow because of the time, tomorrow I must come back guys to confirm this. To confirm and finish this actually guys. So right now guys, we are here. Huh? 50. Squad that 22.
That's right.
I was like,
Yeah?
Sunday. Yeah, M-Pesa. Sim 2.
Thank you so much.
Naweka wenyewe. Actually guys, that is what happening guys. Right now, my phone is here guys, so we're going back tomorrow guys. And I've confirmed because now it's just like this guys. So even the system charger, we're going to test it. So I'm not sure guys, it is okay right now. I'm feeling sad guys. I'm feeling whew. Other guys, let God bless me. Other guys, let God help me guys on this journey of this phone guys to be okay guys. You can see how it is. It is damaged. My hope. Let's go. Also guys, right now we are on our way back guys. Right now we're still in Sirare and just getting back guys, and I'm going to continue with the video also tomorrow. I'm going to add the clips and what will going guys. So I'm here with tomorrow guys.
I will make you proud, I will never let you down. I will make you proud, I will never let you down. Thank you mama, Rainbow. You means my one, Rainbow. You means more than what I'm singing, mama. You never give up on me, mama. Ukuniacha tabani mama, upona mikila tua mama, niombe dua. I know I'm not alone, you be there for her the best you can. I'm sorry if I ever lied, I'm trying my best but I'm not perfect. You bring the better me, I can't forget what you did to me. You are love that you pour on me, teach me how to love someone never knew. Rainbow, thank you mama. Rainbow, I love you mama. Rainbow, thank you mama. Rainbow, I love you mama. I was in a hard time. I remember that time. Working with the bad guys. Now we changing my lifestyle. Now look how far you came with me. Look your support, how it changed to me. Rainbow, wimbo, nimekuandikia wimbo, wimbo umenitoa kwenye shimo, shimo. I know I'm not alone. You be there for her, the best you get. I'm sorry if I ever lied. I'm trying my best, but I'm not perfect. You bring the better me. I can't forget what you did to me. You are love that you pour on me. Teach me how to love someone never knew. Windborn, windborn. Thank you, mama. Windborn, windborn. I love you, mama. Windborn, windborn. Thank you, mama. Windborn, windborn. I love you, mama. I will make you proud. I will never let you down. I will make you proud. I will never let you down. I will make you proud. I will never let you down. I will make you proud. I will never let you down.
Yo, he's bugging on this one. Who's that?
You don't want to see me sexy. You want me down, gotta show me mercy. Emergency. How many times me I take it risky? I get sleep at night. Everything pick my night, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm talking Bali, marafiki, wanafiki nini. I'm not kizuri, mna wivu, mna taka nini. I'm talking Bali, marafiki, wanafiki nini. I'm not kizuri, mna wivu, mna taka nini. Wanasema talala, jealousy, 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 jealousy. If I die today, will you take my place? If I die today, will you run my race? You don't see my struggle, you don't see my struggle. You don't see the trouble, you don't see the trouble. Na viatu vyangu kuiva yani roho juu. Wezi kuwa mimi hata niwe bubu. Unipatipati mimi niko juju. Simwamini mtu zaidi aliye juu. I be hustling hard 24/7 chasing back. Thank you Jah, you got my back. I can't go back. I'm talking Bali, marafiki, wanafiki nini. Hamna kizuri, mna wivu, mnataka nini. I'm talking Bali, marafiki, wanafiki nini. Hamna kizuri, mna wivu, mnataka nini. Wanasema talala, jealousy, 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 jealousy.
Who's that?